To fix it, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for X account. So when you find your X account, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Then after that, what you have to do over here is to tap over here. So just tap on this symbol over here. So when you tap on it, you're going to be in the app info of X. So when you get here, tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission over here. Now go back, tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on like this. So after that, what you have to do is to go back, then you tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, get back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. So when the background data is on, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. And as you can see, this is my Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, just type in X, then you search for it, and you're going to find this. Then you tap on it, then you tap on update to get your, X updated. So you have to update it. After updating it, what you have to do is to restart your device. So let's tap on your power button to restart your device. So now tap on restart, then you tap on OK. So after tapping on OK, your account will be restarted or rebooted. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. And after rebooting your account, your problem is going to be fixed.